Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. I'll be picking one card from the Angel Oracle Guidance. So that will be a general guidance, guys, that may clear the doubts or confusions you have in your mind, and we'll be picking one card from these love messages. That will be the message your person wants to tell you, guys, Capricorn. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. We have Ace of Swords in reverse, Ace of Wands in reverse, and Hierophant in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Capricorn, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. Maybe today you are quite successful, things are going in a positive way. You are tasting success in a few things, but there are certain things that are happening. There may be some delays, something minor, you may not worry, but you are making a lot of efforts to hold on to the success. You are working hard, struggling a lot to hold on to the success, guys, and this success is coming with a lot of difficulty. So it may be in your work or even in your relationship. This you feel really happy to be with this person, but you may have a lot of misunderstandings with them, and the way they are, the words they speak, or the behavior of this person is simply irritating you, guys, and that may be the reason for struggles in this relationship. And you are trying hard, you are really making a lot of efforts to hold on to this person. You have sacrificed a lot, maybe faced a lot for this person, for this connection. And maybe for some of you, you are even having a child together. That is what is holding you both together, maybe for some of you. And you are facing a lot of troubles, guys, for this relationship. And you feel really sad that it has come down to this. Maybe the love you both shared, you are thinking of it, and you are just being really patient with this person, guys. So this may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you, but you need not worry, Capricorn. These misunderstandings are going to change very soon. Your kindness, your kind heart is going to bring a change with this person. So they may see your worth, and they may realize your true love for them, and they may change thinking of you, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the Angel Oracle Guidance for you all today. Kindness. God, I just pick cards randomly, guys. So it says kindness, and we were speaking of kindness and kind-hearted nature you have. You are being really patient today for this love. You want this person to understand. That is the reason you are waiting for them. So again, we have the Oracle Guidance card saying kindness. So this card just means that we must be compassionate and kind. And the ways to do that, it may be some random things, maybe a small smile towards some stranger, or a pat on the back of someone who is suffering. So all that is showing that person that we are feeling really happy to see them there. And these random acts, it may be something small, but it brings a smile to their face and makes their heart light with happiness. And the appreciation we give to the people in our life, maybe friends or family members and even strangers, that is going to show our kindness, and that is going to change the way things are for them, guys, and it is going to instill hope and faith in their lives. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading for y'all, guys. So let's see what is the love message for y'all today, guys, Capricorn. So your person wants to tell you that I can't imagine a minute without you. So this person simply loves to be with you. They love your company and they cherish each and every moment they have with you, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.